Hi there, welcome to Techopsworld. This is Vijay Selvam. In this video, we are going to create our first Node.js app and we are going to Dockerize this app, and finally we are going to deploy this app into the cloud. So we will see how to do all those things. At the end of this video, you might be learned how to create a REST endpoint. So we have created two endpoints, hello one. So this is how you see, and also we can see our app deployed into the cloud. So this is what we are going to learn in this video. Please do watch the video complete so that you will learn end to end. So creating a project and then dockerizing the application and then finally deploying into the Heroku. Then also how to deploy the same application again, not creating a new application. So please watch the video completely. And in our upcoming videos, we will see how to create a chatbot app completely from the scratch. And this application was one of my coding challenge for a job in Germany. And we'll see how to create a sign up, login, logout, chatting with multiple people's WebSocket without any third party packages in this app. We will also see how to 100% document this application and build architecture diagram and completely unit test cases coverage for this project with Jest. And finally, we will see how to Dockerize this application and how to deploy our Angular application and Node.js apps in different free cloud environment, example Heroku, AWS. I will also share the solution for unknown things I have faced during my full stack coding development, UI, UX, mobile, and especially lots of videos on Angular. Now here comes the most interesting part. Do you want to land into your dream job in any parts of the world? Be it Germany, Switzerland, Australia, UAE, or anywhere, and wanted to earn 4 times, 5 times of your salary, or even more? Okay, I will share all the experience I had to land into my dream job. And also, I will create a series of videos on creating the most wanted and powerful resume where it is liked by many CEOs, HRs all over the world. Do you want to see the response I got from them? You are welcome. Please take a look. And the favors, all I wanted from you is please do subscribe our channel for all the interesting upcoming videos and hit the bell icon for instant notification. And also, if you like the video or you got any information which you are looking for or anything new, please like the video and comment your thoughts and share it to your friends, and it means a lot to me. Okay, now I understand it's a lot in the intro. Now let's quickly jump into the video. First, let us create our first Node.js project. Just follow my steps. Go to terminal. Here I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. You can use any editor. Type npm init. This will create a package.json file. So here it will ask the steps. To ignore these steps, you can also type npm init -y. It will always make it as S for all the questions. So I'm pressing enter for each one. I wanted to make it as default. Type yes and press enter. Okay, we have our package.json created. Let me create my first file, server.js. Okay, I have my template already created. Let me copy it. Okay, I have copied the code. Here, what does the code does means? Here I'm importing Express package, and also I'm creating a instance for that. I'm creating an instance named app, and also I'm creating a port. Here I have assigned the port 4000, and also I have two endpoints, one with a /hello, another with a root slash. So this returns a JSON response, one with the JSON with the data, and another one with a plain string, the JSON response, and also I'm listening to the port. So this is what the code means. And here we require Express for this application. So we will install Express. To install Express, type npm install Express. This will install Express locally inside this application. Okay, we have Express installed. Let's modify something in the package.json. So here, if you could see, we have the Express install. Let us create a script named start. So in this script we are going to type node, then server.js. So this will start our application. I'm going to run this application. npm run start. Okay, our application has started and it's listening to the port 4000. Let us open this port and check hitting these two endpoints whether we are getting expected response. Okay, I have opened Chrome. Let me test it. Localhost 4000 and slash hello. Yes, it returning the response hello world. We'll also test another endpoint. Okay, so this is also returning the response. Welcome to Techopsworld. Okay, our application is running successfully. Our next step is to dockerize this application. So let us create a Docker file. So here press new file and then type it as a Docker file. Okay, we have created the Docker file. We will put the content now. I have the content already written, so let me copy that content. Okay, I have copied the code. So here how to select this tag is, let us check what is the node version our machine is. So our machine is 16.13.2. Let us go to Docker Hub and select the tag. Here we need a node dependency. Type node. Now let us select the tag based on our node installed in our machine. So go to tags and filter 16.13.2. This is our node. So let us take the lightest version. Here if you could see, these are all high size. Let me take one. Okay, here this one is a smaller version. Let us copy this. Okay, so now if you could see, this is the one I have already pasted here. From this tag we are getting the image. Okay, so now next is the normal steps. So we are just creating the app directory and then package.json, all those stuffs, and also we are running the server.js file. Let us save the code. Okay, we have our Docker file ready. Now let us create an image for this. Let me open the terminal. Type docker build -t. Here you can give the name, your name. So I am typing my name. Then the name of the image. Then dot. Now we have our Docker image created for this application. Now let us see the Docker image. Docker images. This will show what are the Docker images present in this machine. So I have the image which I created. Now let us run this Docker image. And give the name of the image. And press enter. Give allow access. Okay, so now our container would be running. Let us check it. Docker ps. Okay, so we have the container. It's up and running. Up 21 seconds. Now let us test the application. Localhost 4000 hello. Yes, Our application has been started successfully, and also we'll check another endpoint. Okay, so now our application is Dockerized and it is running in the Docker container. Now let us see how to deploy this application in Heroku. So we have Dockerized this application and we will deploy it in Heroku. Okay, now I have landed into the page heroku.com. Here you can click on sign up for free. You can create up to 5 instances for free. So fill out all the details, and also we will select the primary language as Node.js, and you can create the free account. Since I have my account already set up, so I'm not creating the account now. So you can create this account. Once you have signed up to Heroku, we need a Heroku CLI to be installed in our machine, so that in the command prompt you can use Heroku. So now I will copy this command. I will install Heroku in my machine. You can also install it globally, or you can also install it locally. Let me install it globally, so that I can access it anywhere in the machine. Okay, now we have our Heroku CLI has been installed. Let us check the Heroku now. Okay, so we can see the Heroku version here. Okay, let's go back to our code. Okay, so now here we will log into Heroku. So so here we need 7 steps exactly. After execution of seventh command, you can see your app running in the cloud. So this is the first command, Heroku login. And press any key to open the browser. You have to log in via browser, except a Q, otherwise it will exit. Since I have already logged in my machine, it's just asking click login. So just click login. It's showing logged in. If you're not logged into the browser, you will be redirected into login screen. So after successfully logged in, comes back to the application. Now the next step is Heroku container login. So this is the second step. The first step you have done is a Heroku login. So the next step is you have to log in with the container. So this will log in. Okay, login got succeeded. Now the next step is to create an app. So Heroku will create app for us. Heroku create. So this will create an URL for us. Okay, our app has been created. So this is where at the end we are going to access our app. So make sure you are copying this one, because this will be useful after you make any changes and if you wanted to push it to this particular application. I have copied this code and I'll open a notepad. Okay, I have pasted the code. So the next step is to build a Docker image. So we have to create a Docker image with this name. So Docker build -t, and then we have to give us a registry.heroku.com, then slash and our app name. So our app name is still headland, this value, copy this value, then slash web, then dot, then press enter. This will create an image. So this is the standard we have to follow to create image for Heroku. Okay, now we have our image created. We can check our image, Docker images. Yeah, we have our image created for the Heroku. Okay, now let us push this into Heroku registry. Docker push registry.heroku.com and slash our app name. So this is a complete one we have to use. You can copy this completely. So instead typing, you can just paste it. So we are going to push this image. So the image which we have created, we have to push it. Then press enter. Yes, now our image has been pushed to the Heroku registry. Now we have to release it. So for that, type Heroku container colon release web hyphen a and then the name of the app. So our name of the app is, this is our name of the app. Then press enter. Okay, now our app is done. So you can access the app directly going to the URL, or else you can also type Heroku open hyphen a and the name of the app. So like this will automatically open up with the URL. Great, you have successfully deployed your first Node.js app into cloud. So congratulations for achieving this milestone. Now let us check our another endpoint. Yeah, we could see our data too there. So this is how you deploy your Node.js app into Heroku. Now, if you want to make any changes and deploy it into the same app, then how do we do that? You can't do the same steps what we have did for last. So you have to do that differently. Let me do that. So now let me change the code. Instead of hello world, I'll type it as a hello Vijay and save it. Okay, so now let me clean up all the codes. Since we have already logged in into this command prompt, we don't need to log in again. If you are logged out, then you have to log in just with these two steps: Heroku login and then Heroku container login. Then don't type Heroku create, because this will create a new app. Instead, if you are going to push it to the existing app, right? You are not going to create a new app. So whenever you want to create a new app, you can use Heroku create. If you don't want to create a new app, then you can simply use the existing app you have already created. So here we have created this app. We have copied this one. So I'll copy this one. So now instead of Heroku create, I'm going to build this application directly. I'll build it, Docker build hyphen t registry.heroku.com slash and your app name slash web dot. Okay, we have our image created, Docker images. Yes, this is created, and the next step is to push. So we have the code already written, so we will just push it. The next step is how to release the container. Okay, so the release has been done. Now we will directly go to the page. Now let us refresh. Yeah, I could see the changes. Hello Vijay. Great. You have done it. If you have learned something new from this video, please do subscribe us. This will motivate us to put more content. And if you have any questions or doubt related to this video and you wanted to learn anything specific topic, please comment in the below comment box. I will make a video on it. Until then, signing off, Vijay Selvam. See you on next video.